Just like DeFi in the summer of 2020, NFTs are the most sought after category of crypto tokens in 2021. But in all the noise that's out there, there will only be a few tokens which will actually give you some profit. So stay tuned to today's video and find out which token I'm going to cover today.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, this is Soham, and in today's video I'm going to cover one of the most prospective NFT tokens out there in the market today. If you like the content, please subscribe to our channel, like the video and share it across your network. So let's jump in. So before moving on to the tokens, just a quick glimpse of the market. Bitcoin is currently dealing at around $58,750. This is a pretty good rise in my mind, so we'll come back to this later. But the coin that we want, I want to cover in today's video is Ecomi, right? So many of us would have heard the name of Ecomi. If not, this is one of the most prospective NFT tokens out there in the market, currently ranked at around 65. But there's something that I would show you that is gonna, baffle your mind. Okay, just have a look at the returns that Ecomi has given in the last 1 year. 33,000%. Yes, you heard it right. Yes, you're seeing it correctly. It's 33,000% returns in the last 1 year, right? And in the last 30 days itself, it has given a massive 320%, right? So if you would have invested $1,000 at the beginning of March 2021, by this time, your money would almost be around $4,000, right? So that's massive. Now, let's try to understand what Ecomi does and what Ecomi is. Then we'll come to the technicals. There's not much data available in the market, but I'll try to cover some technicals about Ecomi, and then we'll talk about what are the price predictions, where we should be heading, and where should be our targeted buy, and where should some of the news that we're going to cover. Okay, so what Ecomi does is basically Ecomi has a live product. First of all, why I chose Ecomi? Ecomi has a live product. It's called the VV app. What they do basically is they actually have a marketplace where you can actually buy and exchange digital collectibles, right? This is the VV app that we have, right? You see this Batman over here? That's because Batman has already partnered with Ecomi. Some of the other partners are Superman, Jurassic Park, DC, Superman, NFL, and the MLB. So you can understand what are the some of the partners that they have are so credentials. They have so high credentials in the market, right? One more important thing, why we should be buying Ecomi tokens. The simple reason for that is the Ecomi token will be the currency of this marketplace. That means when the demand for these digital collectibles increases somewhere around, for as far as I'm concerned, it's going to be somewhere around mid of May, when this is going to just take off. Okay, so you better get into the ship early. Okay, so that's very important, right? But being said that, I already told you that it has already gained 320%. Is it a good time to enter? I'll come to that. But before that, just one small thing. Ecomi is getting listed on Uniswap, and that's happening only a day's time from now. So that's some great news that's coming in, right? Before moving further, I would like to tell you that we are present on Instagram at Crypto Bulls Club. Do follow us over there on Instagram as well. If you like to read about crypto news, you can always come to our website, cryptobullsclub.com. And also, we are there on Twitter with our partners, Bharat Finance, right? So they are our partners basically. So you can find us on Bharat Finance, Bharat on Twitter, right? Now coming to the price of Ecomi. Okay, so you might not find this chart on TradingView. What you need to do is you can head on to bitmax.io. So they have the maximum volume as far as Ecomi is concerned. So I'll give a link below. You can click on that link and sign up on bitmax.io, and you can start trading Ecomi from there itself. But coming to the technicals, what we don't have much of a data here, but this is the maximum that I can find. Okay, so very simple thing that I have done is I have just plotted the 21 EMA and we are on the 12-hour chart. Okay, so this is the 21 EMA is the most sought after indicator or the trend line that you need to follow during this bull cycle. Okay, most of the tokens that I have reviewed so far is respecting this 21 EMA, right? So you can for your reference actually follow this. Now I told you that it has already given us 320% returns in the last 1 month. Then why shall we even consider investing in it? Is it not saturated? Well, my friends, I have some news for you. The high was at around $0.013, right? And from there, we already got a correction of approximately 50%. To be precise, it was 47%. And now after that correction, we are moving sideways a bit. Okay, again we had a correction, we went up a bit as well, then again we had a correction of around 22%, but we are currently on the consolidation stage. There's one thing, this could be very early that I may be talking right now, but I feel on the 12-hour chart, we are forming an inverse head and shoulders model. I may be completely wrong here. Okay, I am just looking at the patterns that it is forming currently. I'm just saying that it could be very, very possible. Okay, it is very much possible that we might just form an inverse head and shoulder, and from there we might just simply take off. Okay, somewhere like this. So with that being said, should you be investing in Ecomi right now? I feel if you are investing, you can consider this 21 EMA as a good support range, and you can place your bet safely on this one. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is my personal opinion. Please do your own research before investing. While researching, you can always consider our video as one of the resources for your research. Okay, so please, what you can do is you can consider this 21 EMA right here for your price, for your price that you should be looking out for. And I feel one more thing is this Uniswap listing is going to give some boost, right? And because Uniswap, once it's there on Uniswap, it will be right out there for the mass, right? Now it's getting listed only on Bitmax, and there's one more exchange currently. I think it's Gate.io, and there's Bit4x as well. Okay, so just the 3 exchanges that are there currently. So Uniswap will give this more visibility and more more trust among investors. So you should definitely consider having a look at it. Right now, one last thing. I have been getting a lot of comments, from people. Keep coming, keep them flowing in. It's a real motivator for me, right? We are a young community, okay, and we are going fast. We are growing at a good rate, right? So keep your love coming in. Share this across your network. I love to read all the comments. I try to reply to as much as possible. Okay, follow us on Facebook. That is where we have a lot of discussions. I'll give the link to Facebook community down in the description. And also, as I told you, you can follow us on Instagram, on Crypto Bulls Club, on Twitter at Finance Bharat. Please note this, it's Finance Bharata. Okay, and also you can visit our websites where we post articles regularly. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Stay blessed, stay happy.